Hey everybody, how's it going? Mike here from the Focus Garage, and today I've got a little video for you here. As Andre and I were saying in previous videos, we want to get into motovlogging. So what you're going to see in the upcoming clips here is one kind of a exhaust video of my 2009 Yamaha FZ1. For anybody wondering, it does have a 4-in-1 Dale Walker header, and then it's got a Two Brothers Racing for the rest of the exhaust, the black carbon can there. So you're gonna hear kind of a little bit of an exhaust video of that, but the main purpose of this video is that I finally went ahead and mounted a GoPro to my motorcycle. Now I'm still working on getting my helmet audio set up for as far as the microphone goes and how I want to go about doing that, but I was playing around with some different kind of perspectives as far as the video goes. So we've got the GoPro mounted to the bike here, and I want your honest feedback of is this going to be something that's, you know, worth watching as far as the way the perspective of the riding is. So I've got to kind of set up a little bit in front of the tank, in front of me facing forwards. Again, we're going to kind of soft go into this here. I'm not going to go crazy, buy two expensive GoPros and start off like that, have one facing me and then one facing the road. You're just going to have, you know, one on the tank and then my audio. But in this video, it's going to be just the audio coming straight from the GoPro itself, so that you can hear the exhaust and kind of see what you think as far as the overall view on the road. So I'm going to roll that clip now. It's just like a couple minutes here of just riding around, some acceleration in Mexico. It may look like I am babying the bike, and I am. It's probably like quarter to half throttle. There is no full throttle pulls or anything like that. Just got brand new tires put on the bike. I want to get a feel for the tires, see how all those, you know, the new compound feels, and just having a round tire instead of a square tire over again. So just kind of, you know, some ginger acceleration, no, you know, full throttle clutch dump wheelies, nothing like that. But again, just let me know what you think in the comments down below. Is this going to be a perspective that works for you guys or not? that's pretty much going to wrap up this video here. Definitely drop a comment down below what you think if you'd like to see a motovlogging setup from this perspective here. I'm going to be looking around to get a secondhand GoPro for cheaper to mount on the handlebars to face me. That way we can get the kind of dual perspective going on of, you know, one facing the road, one facing me, just so you don't always be looking at the same thing the whole time there. But again, I was very excited to finally get my GoPro mounted to the bike, get the resolution settings played with, get all that looking right there. And even without using an actual microphone plugged into my phone or anything like that, the GoPro audio sounds decent. Obviously, you can't motovlog like that because I can't talk to it without the mic adapter. But as far as like for an exhaust clip, it wasn't overly windy or anything like that. I was able to kind of get the point across that way. So that's pretty much going to wrap it up for this one. I just wanted to show you guys some video. I was really excited that I was finally able to, you know, mount the GoPro to the bike, get some clips, and I think I kind of like the way they look there. So it's pretty much going to wrap it up for this one. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that bell for notifications because we are finally going to start motovlogging. And I know we've been saying that for a very long time now, but I'm super excited that the season's finally here. Finally got the GoPro set up, and we're ready to roll. So, Mike from the Focus Garage signing off. I'll catch you guys in the next video.